everyone, with me today I have the floor scrubber brush, so I can't wait to get it open and show you guys how it looks inside. It seems like the perfect use to clean your tub. It is great and I can't wait to put it to the test in my new tile. I really want to make sure it gets clean and also that it's simple to clean and use. So let's assemble it. Alright, you guys, assembly is so quick and easy. So as you can see, this is the head of it. You also get this little part, so it's kind of like a squeegee. And of course, all you gotta do is pop these on. So you have the choice of a brush or of this kind of sponge. Of course, you can use it whichever. You can interchange them so quickly. And then you're going to be placing the cables and those aren't cables. Handle. Alright, you guys, so here we are. Here is the actual head of the operation. This is where everything connects. So as you can see, you have this little squeegee here on the side to make raking water so much easier. You have the choice of putting in a brush like so, or a sponge, whichever one you're going to be using to clean. All you got to do is pop them on like so. They're safely and secure in there, and take a look at how that looks. And this button helps swivel this around back and forth. And of course, here's where you're going to be connecting the handle, right? As you can see, it is a fairly large handle, so we're going to open it up. It's going to be so very long, and I think that's the best part of this. So as you can see, the white one here at the bottom is what connects perfectly in here, and it also has that quick release button. There you go. And of course, we're going to be adding this one and the bigger one to use it, but I definitely recommend this product, you guys. What a simple and easy way to clean. And of course, again, you can swivel this around and have the choice to do a clean vertically or horizontally as you wish. I think it's such an awesome product, and I definitely will be using this to clean my tiles.